Hello, hi. Oh my god. Can I just start this vlog with a little bit of a complaint, please? You know, I'm not a complaint vlog, so I'm very grateful for everything. But today has been a very annoying day. Okay, so we were supposed to get that sofa spraying thing done, which finally got done. That barely took 20 minutes. It is a Monday, which is usually the most hectic day of my week. However, today I didn't have that much work. It was more things around the house. There was the sofa thing happening, the painting, because that beach mein crack I showed you was coming on the pink wall that I got repainted over in my office room. Usko kaam karwaya hai. The painter uncle is still in the room, still not done, which is why I have not been able to start my makeup. It is literally, what's the time? 6:11 p.m. and I am supposed to be leaving the house in 1 hour for a shadi. The title is probably going to be shadi related, so you know that I have a shadi in like my bhabhi's family, which is basically my family, and there are 3 functions that I need to be at this week, and the first one is today, and I can't get ready with my makeup because painter uncle is taking forever. He was supposed to get done at 3 p.m. which is why I okayed these dates कि हाँ 3 बजे हो जाएगा. But in a way, good only chalo, he's doing his job well. So it's not his fault or anything. It's just that my day is going all over the place. I need to not burn myself today. Literally almost every single time I take out this biggest size tong, which I love by the way. I'll leave a link for you down below. I absolutely love this bottle. I'll end up burning something or the other, like some finger or the other. And I really need to get done. I also took a blood test today, which I will not tell you about right now. We will talk about it in a whole other lifetime. But yeah, that's what's going on. It is a little bit of a mind-numbing day. And then my outfit came and I was trying on 2 more outfits for the other 2 functions today. One of the outfits that I selected for like the after tomorrow, the Wednesday wala function, was so beautiful, but it was so long. Even with like my tallest heels, it will be dragging. So I decided not to wear it, and I'm figuring my other options now. My current agenda really is to make sure I get ready within the hour. और कुछ भी हुआ ना घर का काम, आज मैं 1-2 चीज़ें भूल रही हूँ. मेरा दिमाग full fuzzy mode में है. I even asked Jerry to come home early, thinking that we will. I'm getting a little breathless. Sorry. Thinking that we will leave on time. The kids are performing at the Sangeet today, Rayhan and Romaisa, and I'm so excited because they gave me a little bit of a preview. If you've watched my previous vlog, you know what I'm talking about, and I'm so excited to like see them perform properly today. I had a couple of really good, alhamdulillah, I had a couple of really good business calls today on things happening, and on the personal front also there are a few things happening. I don't really feel like talking about it right now. I'm not in the mood. Maybe over the next couple of days you are going to be hanging out with me for the next few days, especially through this shadi and stuff. So I'll update you. Jerry Baba, you've got your you've given her your outfit to iron and all na? Sab taiyar hai? What are you wearing? Jerry. Okay, my hair is fully done. They're just like basic curls. I need to use some Moroccan oil. I need to use some MO in my hair to make sure it doesn't like frizzy up very easily, because I get a lot of frizz and I get a lot of like this hair static also. Can you see वैसे यहाँ पे खड़े हो जाते हैं? So I'm just gonna run through my hair with some MO so it shines. The curls will open up over some time, so I'm just gonna leave them as is for now. Alright, I somehow managed to get my makeup done in time and take some photos before we left the house also. G and I'm gonna go ahead. Hi Jerry, I'm wearing this Gopi Vet outfit. I'll keep all outfit details, jewelry details, everything down below in the info box. Divyesh popped off and took some really nice photos of Jerry and me together, so I'm gonna show them to you over here. vlogging on my phone today because I didn't think I could just realistically take a, like camera to the function and clutch and all of that. But the iPhone 12 Pro Max picture quality is amazing, so I'm not worried. I'm so excited for the kids' performance, and I've been telling Jerry, chalo, niklo time pe, varna. That is the highlight of the evening for me. No, but choose dancing. Okay, I need to start driving by. Hi. Hi, look here. Are you excited for your performance?
Yep.
Who all are performing today? Everybody?
Probably.
Probably. Are you excited?
Yep.
What are you watching?
I'm just sleeping.
Shorts. He's watching shorts. Rumaisa, are you excited to dance?
No.
No? Of course you're dancing. Yes, you're dancing. I saw your rehearsal. You like your dress? Yes? Are you excited to dance?
No.
Come on.
I'm dancing.
Of course you're dancing. You showed me your rehearsal.
It's not my rehearsal, but I'm not dancing.
Yes, my baby, you are.
I'll dance with you to dance.
Yes, we'll all dance with you.
Oh,
Oh God, poor guy. Bye.
Mom said Zain Mom was getting married. I said, what? He's getting married? I said, to whom? He said his girlfriend. I was like, what? Zain Mom has a girlfriend? Well, this was then, and here we are today. Chalo everyone, let's get him married.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M.
And it's time for the giveaway in this Vlogmas video. Go ahead and read all of the instructions mentioned on the screen really carefully and follow them to the T to be able to win this giveaway. All the best. Hi, hello. My voice is sounding really weird this morning. Hi, hello, good morning. Is this like, yeah. I need to buy like a new lens for the camera, which is like a wide lens, because I feel like it's too much. It has too much of me in the frame. I want you guys to be able to see different things. So I'm looking up like different lenses that I can get for this. It is 11:23 a.m. We're pretty much all at work at the moment. Hi. And last night wasn't a very late night. It actually was a super nice night. Of course, you guys have seen glimpses of it by now. We came home around midnight, I think. Yeah, there's really nothing to update because I was talking to you guys all through yesterday anyway, and now I really need to get to work and get things in order. I'm so happy to report that Vlogmas is going well, guys. We're in present day, it is the 14th of December, and we have so far completed 23 videos. So we literally just have like sneeze is not coming, it's just bothering me in my mouth. I got this from you. Sheikh came to work with a bad cold and cough yesterday, and I got this cold clearly. You also. Divyesh is like. And then yesterday when I was sneezing, Jerry said,
you should have told Sheikh to go home.
I did. She just didn't want to go home, and today we told her don't come to work if you're like not feeling well, not feeling up to it, and she still showed up. I can't decide whether I'm proud of her for the dedication to work or like worried because she's gonna give all of us a cold by the end of this. But I forgot what I was saying. I forgot what I was actually trying to say before that. Lens, looking up lenses. No, 23 videos. Like this is the 23rd video, literally this vlog, and then there's 2 other videos that need to be filmed. So I'm kind of like really happy and proud. From these 23 videos that I'm mentioning, assuming this is like the 23rd, there's one video that is getting shot this Sunday, which I'm super excited about, which is with the kids, like my bhai's kids. Like basically we have 23 concepts, ideas, things in progress. What we're currently slacking on a touch is 12 Days of Christmas. No? We have only 5 videos ready and we need to get going with filming a few of those, so that's gonna happen today. I'm back on IF, so I have black coffee over here, but it's like iced black coffee, which I'm really enjoying, and I don't know why I've never had this before. I mean, I've been having it for the past 2 days. I don't know why I've never had it before in my life. I mean, and I will start shooting after I have some lunch and get some paid puja in. Okay, bye. आज के खाने में we have pav bhaji from Shiv Sagar. I have accidentally, silly me, ordered from Shiv Sagar Santa Cruz East by mistake instead of the one from SV Road. Totally my bad. This looks different. Keeping my fingers crossed that it actually tastes nice because I'm very particular about my pav bhaji. And I eat early, so I eat early in the sense usually I like to eat at around 12:30. It's 1:15 today, and these guys are still figuring what is happening. Guys, lunch, khana. I go in a mummy mode with them half the time.
6 hours later.
Hello, what's happening? You know, on some days I have so much of energy here, but I don't have that much energy in my body to just keep going. This month has been so exhausting, and it's not because of Vlogmas, to be honest. Like, I feel like there's so many things happening on the personal front, certain things that I am not sharing with you on the vlogs. There are things that I am struggling with health wise, some of which you know, some of which you don't know. I, by the way, told Jerry this morning about, I think in the last vlog, like if you watched the was it the IKEA vlog or where I told you guys that I'm planning a surprise for Jerry for our 1-year anniversary trip in Jan. There's a few complications that came up on that in the middle, so I decided, you know what, forget the surprise. I'm just gonna ask him which of these 2 places he likes, because I'm stuck between 2 places and there have been other logistics impacting where we go also. So I said it's his anniversary too, forget the surprise, let me just ask him कहाँ जाना है आपको, which of these two do you prefer. एक थोड़ी ठंडी गर्म जगह है और एक काफ़ी सिर्फ ठंडी जगह है, तो आप बता दो आपको कहाँ पे जाना है. तो हम फिलहाल उसके बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे थे आज सुबह को, and he has made his choice on where he wants to go. So I have so many things to figure on that front also, because those 2 trips were interconnected one way, like that trip, those 2 places were interconnected. So I guess I'm going to try and do one in Jan and try and do the other in Feb, because I definitely want Jerry to get the best of both worlds. So I am going to try to do my best on however I can manage that. Separate from that, in the IKEA haul for sure, I'm literally wearing that same like ghar ka t-shirt once again that we did the haul from Hill Road for. If you watched that video, you know what I'm talking about. Sorry guys, sometimes like the other day I got a comment from somebody saying, can you stop wearing tie-dye? You're wearing like the same clothes over and over. But the fact of the matter is that literally I'm about to go wear like all of these clothes now for a shoot, which is why I don't really put in much effort for when I'm not dressed up. It's like जो सामने दिखा मैं उठा के पहन लेती हूँ. And I realize I should probably bring a change to that, because you guys have to watch it in the vlogs and I don't want you to feel like इसके पास कपड़े नहीं हैं. कपड़े हैं, but मुझे सुबह सुबह सजने ढजने का कोई शौक नहीं है, because मुझे शूट के लिए तो करना ही है, right? The point that I was about to come to is, so in that IKEA haul, one of the other things I told you was that there is an impromptu trip that came up for December, and I was so excited about that. I was so excited about that. I started getting my clothes in place and I started doing this and doing that and blah 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 blah. Turns out that because of the upcoming elections, like in 2022, there's a lot of issues, not issues, but there's just a lot of stuff happening in that city, and they aren't allowing cars to pass from one side to the other and this and that and blah blah blah. And I'm like, my tickets are booked. I paid like 26,000 rupees for both our tickets, and if I cancel those tickets I get around 8,000-9,000 rupees back, which is still better than nothing, I mean, I guess. However, I'm like, does it make sense to go at all if I'm like, I decided to go with the intention of creating content. If I'm not going to get to move around the city and I'm only restricted to that village area, then should I go, should I not go? So there's multiple things that need to be closed today. Once Jerry comes home at night from the warehouse, there's a lot of things to be closed. So the thing is, I have time to decide whether I want to go or not go. मुझे मेरा refund up to 2 days or up to 2 hours ऐसे करके कुछ तो मिलेगा. मैंने Make My Trip से book की हुई मेरी tickets. I'm flying Vistara, not sponsored, nothing sponsored, paid for everything. The deal is that if I am going, then I'm going to continue to sort out my clothes for the shoot and source and get things in order and make a few extra bookings over there for things that I want to do. Those things I can't leave to last minute and all. So I really do need to figure whether I'm going or not going. And then basis that, I will also either keep shoots here in Bombay or not keep anything and wrap a lot of things before I leave on the 26th. So yes, there's a lot to be done. There's a lot to be closed. And a lot of this needs to be closed today only. Because it's just not possible to leave so many different logistical things hanging up in the air. Also, FYI, started watching Succession. I don't know if you can tell. Can you tell? My laptop is here next to me. I've been watching Succession on Hotstar. I think I started it over the weekend or something when I was looking for something new to watch. And by the time I finished the first episode, I was in love. I'm in love. वो वाला reel. It's just so gripping. I really am enjoying it. I'm currently only on episode like 5 or something, but I can totally see that this is a show I'm gonna watch all the way. Currently getting ready to film a fashion finds under 1,000 rupee video for you. It's probably gonna go live after this, so if you are watching this, make sure you're watching all of my Vlogmas videos. All of these Vlogmas videos, topics, vlogs, हर चीज़ बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यार से बन रही है. And Deep is calling. I'm gonna BRB. Hi Deep. Hi Jerry. Hi. Look who we're meeting today after so long. Hi. Why did you look so scared for a second?
Hi. You see my shitty watch, everybody's
See my
hating
shitty watch.
Yeah, everyone's hating it, but I like it. Why? My
Also
husband
not
is
my
hating
favorite.
it. Why?
He wanted to get her this, and instead
got me a black.
she
It's
went
at
and
home.
got that. She's a
There is a black at
13-year-old
home.
child, basically. Tonight's dinner is a whole bunch of things from Tanjore Tiffin House, not sponsored. I kind of have to keep saying not sponsored because otherwise people think that I only eat food that's sent from outside. I swear. I would.
This is paid for.
And there's like a lot of yummy food over here. So this prawn, what is it called? Curry kuri. Prawn. It's called Kiri Kuri, or I'll throw up the right name on the screen right now. If you are ever ordering from Tanjore, this is such a must-have. There's Chettinad and there's Madras Railway Curry over here.
Chicken.
And Madras Railway.
Every major railway
So,
station.
and then there's Malabar Parathas, which I like. What did you say? Like Lacha Parathas.
This looks like a soup. What is this one?
It's curry. Chettinad prawn hoga ye.
Kerala curry something. Tamarind.
Oh, I don't know which one is what.
Tamarind fish.
curry.
Need to figure.
What is this?
Okay, bye.
Parota.
Zoe has forgotten how many to deal and how to deal because we're playing Mono after a little too long. Yeah, it's been a very long break this time.
Here only, bro.
Yeah, but it's been so bloody long. For those of you who don't know how to play Mono, please get a set of Mono deal. I will leave it in the link in the info box. But you must know how to play this game, and you must play this game.
And it's not a
So
sponsored.
sad.
It's not sponsored.
Thank you.
Is very.
Hello. So Nibbles kept her hand on the camera and kept like patting on it every time I tried to move it away. It is 12:01 literally. It's 15th of December and we just hit 250,000 subscribers here on YouTube, and I didn't realize that unless I wanted your comments because the IKEA haul, like vlog and haul video, went live today in present day, and one of y'all, actually quite a few of y'all commented, 2 or 3 of y'all I think commented saying 250k, 250k. I was like, oh my god, we touched 250k. That is so insane to me. I remember when I started like YouTube properly in 17,
and I didn't know that how much, like at that point in time, the number craze in the industry had not yet really kicked in that much as it is today. Tha, par itna nahi tha. And I remember when I hit 20,000 subs in the second half of that year, I was over the moon. And now we're at 250,000, mashallah, alhamdulillah. And thank you to all of you for your love and support. I can't wait till I can say we've hit 1 million. Oh my god, that even like the coming out of my mouth sounds like surreal to me. Please tell me that you're following me on Instagram, because if you're not, you totally should. I upload a lot of content there separately, so little bit of an Insta plug over here for that. I am now going to go take my makeup off and call it a night because I am exhausted, and it's only Tuesday night. Can you please go for a bath and then get an appointment to trim your beard? Jerry, I have no bandwidth for this. सुबह ये नहीं होगा मेरे. Just stop it. I'm not even. You are talking. Hello, I have an update for you. If for a change I'm not wearing a tie-dye t-shirt. How happy are you guys? I'm reading your comments and they're like, can you please not wear tie-dye anymore? I hear you. I'm sorry. I need to stop wearing as much tie-dye as I do. So currently what's happening is we're literally sitting between like Indian clothes and I'm figuring my outfit for tonight's function. The nikah happened this morning. I didn't go for that, but I'm going for the reception in the night and I'm very excited. And even though I'm very excited, I'm very confused. So basically there's this pink outfit. I'm so stunning, but when it came, it was just too heavy. It was just too heavy and I felt like I shouldn't wear it because it's like a bridal level lehenga. Even though the shirt is fully plain and the shirt is super simple and normal, the lehenga is so heavy that I don't want to look like a bride, and it's not like I'm like the bride's sister or the bride's best friend. I'm from the dulha's side. The dulha is my bhabhi's cousin, so I don't want to make it look like I'm bridal. Like that's just not right and not fair to the bride to begin with. So yeah, if you are invited to a wedding and you feel like you're really overdressing, please don't, because it's the bride's day. Always remember that. However, it is my best friend's wedding in March, so this is something I can wear for a really close, like the bride's sister. I feel like the bride's sister, right, for the March wedding. So I'm gonna earmark this outfit and see if I want to wear it at that time. I have another option that I think I'm wearing this evening. So just figuring all of those things out while working. There's a lot of things going on back to back, and while also figuring plans for I have a major update to give you. So while figuring plans of travel, which is happening later this year. Wait, I need to like set this up. Mera haath itna hil raha hai. Yes. So now initially there was supposed to be one travel plan in December and another travel plan which was Jerry's surprise thing, which I think we now have kind of already told him. I haven't told you, but I've told him where all we're going and all, for Jan. However, the Jan plan has now gotten moved to Feb and there's a new Jan plan, so you can expect a bunch of travel content from me, which I'm very excited for. There's lots of things happening at the same time. Kill me now. Plus we're in, oh, the samples are not here, right? Oh, thank God. I thought the samples were behind me for a second. They're not. Plus we're in sampling, closing, finalizing details, launch plan, date. It's like everything's happening at the same time. And I'm Chashma wala, yeah.
Commercial contact me.
Mine. Everything mine. Everything on vendor is always mine.
Okay, vendor capital.
Hello, hi. That's Nikita. Nikita, say hi.
Hi.
I almost dropped this. I am trying to. Is there less light over here? No, everything's on. I don't know why. Sham ka time hai. It is around 6:30 p.m. I want to get ready really fatafat mein. Because today there's no Divyesh. Today Sheikh has also asked to leave early. So I'm trying to get ready fatafat because today Nikita is going to turn into my photographer. She's like, yay, from the back. I don't know if you can hear that. She's so soft sometimes. You're so soft sometimes. हाँ, वरना जोर की आवाज निकलती है. Otherwise you're so soft. I am getting ready. It is the reception tonight. The nikah happened in the morning. I saw everybody's Instagram stories and everything looked so nice and so fun. My bhabhi, her cousins, everyone was there. I am looking at being in Worli, hopefully. I'm aiming to get there by around 8:30. I don't want it to be a late night, which is why I'm going early. We'll go there,
wish the couple, hang out with everyone, have dinner, and bounce and come back. I'm really hoping to be home before midnight. That's such a Cinderella thing to say, actually. Really in just this random t-shirt over here and figuring a whole bunch of things out. There was a lot of travel work that went in today, like for the upcoming trips kind of a thing. मुझे ना मेरे बालों को curl करना है, but I think I curled it for the last function also. Should I just leave it open and like style it one side and bobby pin it? Really confused. So since I'm planning a whole bunch of like travel related stuff, which I'm really excited to do, I tried to make a few calls and figure a few camera upgrade things also today. Does not look like there are very many options in the lens world for me. At least the ones that are there are very expensive. So it doesn't look like I'm gonna go ahead and make those investments right now, because you know I pumped in so much money into like verified and stuff that I'm like, okay, I want to make this investment rather, but now does not seem like the right time for it. I am figuring what to do. I definitely need to buy a couple of new camera batteries. That's for sure, because I want to take a whole bunch of like time lapses and stuff. I think that will be very interesting. Okay, I'm gonna jump on a couple of calls and come back to you in a little bit. So I'm really happy with what the makeup looks like. This is horrible lighting. I'm gonna obviously take proper photos, so by the end of this I'll show you what that looks like. But basically this is the glam for today. I went in for a pink eye, as you might be able to tell. मैं photos डाल दूँगी. Lipstick अब तक नहीं लगाई हुई है मैंने. And the outfit is here. I need to just quickly decide कि मैं बालों के साथ क्या करूँ. Should I just like curl it up? But I also curled it for the last function. Should I just side sweep it actually? Yeah. And just that. Like it's simple. It's nice. No, my hair is just looking nice right now as is. Just leave it plain and simple. I don't know if you guys can see these kala dots that have happened पूरी ज़मीन पर. पारू खाला just showed me. Basically मेरे काजल का छोटा सा, I can't show you what I'm looking like because मैंने अपना टॉबरल से पहना नहीं है, but काजल का एक छोटा सा टुकड़ा नीचे गिर गया था and literally सब जगह, and I didn't realize छोटा सा था and I knew गिर गया था and I thought I moved it, but clearly there was something that was left and I walked all around it. मेरे पैरों के नीचे पूरा काजल का stain आ गया है. I need to ऐसी लाइक नजर ही नहीं लगेगी आज रात को, तो इतना काजल लगा दिया है. Oh God, I'm getting scolded, yaar. It's not a camera vlog setup situation today, but I have mummy over here. Papa has ditched us and Jerry has ditched us also. So it's just my mummy is my date and I'm my mummy's date for tonight. Literally, like I land up driving no matter what. So I kind of feel bad about driving in Indian clothes just a little bit, because invariably that one line of the seatbelt will be a little bit like chuda hua by the time I'm there. But I don't mind it because I also enjoy driving. Yes, I can drive with heels. I would drive with heels even when I was had a manual car. Now I have my indicator sound. Now I have an automatic car, but it's fine. I can drive with heels anyway, anyhow. Even go-karting I can drive with heels. Hi, mommy. Hi. Mummy likes my outfit, she says. Yeah. But mummy is the one who's really looking pretty. Look at her. Look at you. Yeah. I hope I can look half as pretty as you at your age. Hi guys. Say love you. Okay, go bye. Mwah. Go play. See, with video it's working. My remote is acting up. It's not letting me take like photos from this camera for some strange reason. It's only taking videos. I've been trying to do this since yesterday. शादी के जाने के time पे I tried to do some self timer shots. पता नहीं वो remote चल ही नहीं रहा था. And Nikita obviously helped me and take all the pictures that you guys are seeing. It's the 16th of December. I have my lunch over here. I'm having pav bhaji for the third day in a row because I can never get tired of having Shivsagar ki pav bhaji. But that's not why I started off this vlog right now. I started off because, thank you, I have been on a little bit. Actually, खाना खाने के बाद दिखाऊं. I feel like a shopping spree वाला bit खाना खाने के बाद दिखाती हूँ मैं. Look at this cartoon. She goes and finds herself under the throw, sleeping beautifully, calmly.
not like a little monster that she is running all over the house causing havoc. Okay, so I just finished filming like a bunch of things for clients and I'm all ready because Hailey is gonna come pick me up in the next half an hour. I have woken up with quite a bad headache today and it's 6 o'clock in the morning. There was somebody who kept calling me over and over. I think I finally answered. It was an unknown number. I answered the 6th or 7th call or something like that, and I said hello. Nobody was speaking back. So that when they kept calling again, I kept trying to go to sleep, ignoring the vibration of the phone on the bedstead next to me. And then again they kept calling. So then finally I picked up again because I was like, why is somebody giving me blank calls at 6 in the morning? It was some lady and she's saying,
Umair नीचे रुका हुआ है.
I'm like, who Umair?
He's standing down since half an hour basically.
And she kept saying,
वो नीचे रुका, आधे घंटे से वो नीचे रुका.
I'm like, but किसके लिए, कौन Umair? And then she goes, ये
शादाब भाई का नंबर है.
And I'm like, who is Shadab Bhai? Like I didn't say who is Shadab Bhai. I was like, नहीं, Shadab Bhai का नंबर नहीं है, गलत नंबर है. 6 o'clock in the morning, wrong number. मुझे इतनी तकलीफ हुई वापस जाके सोने के लिए. उसके बाद I have woken up and even now, by the way, a lot of you in the comments are telling me that the headache I'm describing is sounding like a migraine. And that's what I'm feeling right now today also. Like it's here and I feel like it's spreading across like the head. But I will not tell Hailey because she's so sweet and she's so like, I've spoken to Hailey a few times on the phone over the past few days because आज हम एक अलग से collab film कर रहे हैं. And for both our Vlogmas series, but I met her that one time ना सारा के घर पे and Impulse के launch पे, and she was so nice. You guys, like so nice, and I'm very picky about who I say this for. So like I was just very touched by how sweet and nice she was, and I don't want to tell her that I have a headache because my fear is that if I tell her I'm not feeling well, she'll say कि नहीं, let's do another day, and I don't have any other days. Like I would have loved to do any other day actually because of my headache, but there are no other days free of mine all the way till Christmas, and then I'm traveling, so I'm like, I shouldn't tell her because she'll say let's do another day, and I don't have another day to give her, and I don't want to like waste somebody's day like that. It's not right. It doesn't feel correct. I think I'll just eat something. I had lunch, but I think I'll just eat something or have some nimbu pani and I'll feel better. Divyesh is sitting here with a mask on, which is quite hi Divyesh. He has a cold and he was so worried. He was like, what if I have COVID? What if I have COVID? So we have COVID antigen test ghar wala. He took it and he's so cute and confused. He thought that because that solution goes all across, it's like, oh, he's positive. I said, no, it's supposed to go all across, but he's negative obviously. He doesn't even have symptoms. He's just got a cold by the end of this and he's feeling a little weak, so he's gonna go home early. He's gonna go home early today. Are you listening? I can't tell if he can hear me because he's wearing earphones. खाना खाया?
ऑर्डर किया.
ऑर्डर करने वाले ही लोग हैं सब यहाँ पे मुझे लग रहा है, बट फिर घर जल्दी जाना. Okay, I have 2 जूता का डब्बाज next to me. I'm not sure if you guys have figured this out, but I'm going through one of those I need to shop वाला phases in my life. ये normally इतने लंबे नहीं चलते हैं, पर for some reason मेरे दिमाग में इस time में काफ़ी shopping कर रही हूँ genuinely, actively. I just tried on a corset inside, which is another misguided wala corset. If you saw my Myntra haul, you know what I'm talking about. But this corset is my favorite corset. I didn't vlog it because I was trying it on and all at that time, and like obviously I wasn't wearing a bra while doing that because it's a corset. But when I wear it next, I'll tell you guys कि ये वो वाला video में से है. I have 2 pairs of shoes over here. Okay, and they do look really nice. This Crocs style. Okay, I like it. I like it. I'm really happy with how this looks. It's like this beautiful olive green. I'll leave a link in for you guys if you want. I love what it looks like. Let me try it out. Okay, I love what these look like, and they're super comfortable as well. Very comfy also, huh? Very impressed for the price. Okay, these are sandal number 2 and they look so chic. Like I love them. I also walked around with them just now and they're super comfortable. Leaving links for you guys down below, don't worry about it. Super happy with these 2 purchases. I wish I could tell you that these were the only 2 shoes that I bought, but no, I didn't. I actually bought like 4 or 5 shoes. So in the upcoming vlogs or in the upcoming videos, I'll make sure to show you those also. Okay.
I'm gonna grab something to eat and put things in place. I also need to take out a few shoes to give away, shoes that I'm not wearing or whatever anymore, ताकि इनके लिए जूतों की जगह बने. Yeah, gonna have some nimbu pani or something now, so I hopefully feel better.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Okay, so Hailey and I have basically spent the entire evening getting lit in a shopping kind of way. You guys have to, I don't know whether that video will go up before this vlog does or whatever, but we'll figure that out. Right now we're out for dinner because paid puja is very, very much needed right now.
Yeah, we're so exhausted from the entire trip because it was so good. So our like
that thakan wala hunger is happening, yeah. So we're at Cafe Grupo here in Bandra and we're about to have a lot of yummy Mexican food. The menu looks very, 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 very promising, and considering we're really very hungry also at this point, I think I'm just glad that we're here and we've just placed our order and now waiting for the food to happen. Hi. I haven't vlogged at all since morning. I basically spent the entire morning doing verified work. We basically had a whole lineup of meetings with manufacturers and vendors and stuff for our upcoming launches, and I'm so happy to report that we actually found one or two really nice seeming manufacturers. Now we'll get into like sampling and like all of that at a later point, but meetings went really well, so I'm like in a full like work look kind of a thing. I'll throw up some outfit pictures here. I was really happy with today's outfit. Literally my shirt is from Hill Road. If you guys saw my Hailey video, you know all the details about it by this point, so make sure you guys catch my collab video with Hailey because I think you're really going to love it. Anyway, what made me be like I need to start this vlog now, my voice was वैसे कुछ अटक जाता है ना गले में. Yeah, it's sounding normal now. There was something off. It's like that something gets stuck in your throat wala sound was coming. I came home, I had lunch. I literally had my first meal now at 4:30 p.m. today. So IF window has gone way berserk today. Anyway, the thing that made me want to like throw up my cam and vlog now instead of vlog later in the evening when I was getting ready for the shadi or whatever, because today is the last function, is that I ordered these pair of heels, okay, from Myntra. And they looked really, really nice online, and I think on camera actually they're looking really nice when I'm looking at them like that, but in person I don't know if you can see, but like can you see the way it's like bent over here and stuff? Like it's seeming so cheap. These are H&M shoes and I think I paid about, I want to say 1800, 1900. I'll throw up the link, I'll throw up the right price tag over here on the screen and the link down below. But like, do you see this? This is like, it's so like not nice. I feel like H&M can do so much better. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, one second. On the feet, they are looking pretty decent. On the feet, they don't look bad or anything at all. But वो थोड़ी सी cheap वाली feeling like look आ रही है. Like the shoes I picked up yesterday, guys, from Hill Road did not seem like cheap. You know, like they seemed nice. And these are just seeming a little, I don't know. Do we like them? Do we not like them? What do you think about them? Tell me in the comments. I don't like these folds and all, yeah. Did I just get a bad piece? Anywho, so really confused about what to do about this. Should we keep this or should we return it? Return. Just feels a little. I love the color.
It's so pretty, but the quality is
not feeling nice. The quality is not feeling like H&M. It's feeling like very random. I really liked these, yeah, when I saw them online. They look really nice. They don't feel very nice. It is. It's from Hill Road and I paid 200 rupees for it. No jokes. Like, I love it. Okay, so I just like wore the shoes and walked around thinking maybe it'll be better if I wear it on like and walk around. Like maybe it'll look better, na? Some things look better like when you wear them. But they're making like that sound. Like how do you explain it? What do you like? So say puch. Yeah, like that squeaky sound. So I guess these babies are going back. I don't want to just keep things for the heck of it. Like, there should be shoes that I really enjoy wearing, not shoes that I'm embarrassed about wearing because of the sound. But they look so nice. Hello, namaste. Wearing Papa Don't Preach and feeling like a princess. I love my outfit today and I'm trying to just do my eye makeup, thoda finishing touches, literally everything has lasted me since afternoon. I just took off my verified lipstick because I was wearing Shabo in the day, and I'm about to wear 26th Jan now because it's pink and my look is pink and just wanted that whole vibe. But for a change, your girl has gotten into wearing kajals. I feel like, should I stop here or should I just go really nice and thick? I feel like this also looks elegant, but I'm doing like a low bun situation and big earrings, so the kajal I'm using is the Bad Gal Bang one. By the way, so many of you complimented me on my thick kajal look for date night from the IKEA wala haul wala video, because I went for date night after that. And one sec, I feel like I'm just gonna focus on this for a minute and come back to talking to you after. It does have a smudger on this side, but I'm not a huge fan of the smudgers that come with the pencils usually. Is this gonna change my mind? No, it's not gonna change my mind. I need a brush. 1 second. What I should do really quickly before I forget is tight line my upper waterline. My mum is going to tell me your eye makeup looks so nice when you do thick kajals. She always lands up telling me every time I wear thick kajal or like kajal down, my mom compliments me on it. She's so sweet. So tonight if she does that, I'm gonna try and catch her reaction and vlog it, because I know she always says something about it. I realized the light is not really flattering because I literally haven't added any light around. I should have now, actually, come to think of it. Sorry about that. I have just been so scatterbrained all day. Meetings, shoots, literally just finished shooting. It is 8 o'clock. And yeah, that's where I'm at. So I have these super long extensions. Wait, this isn't even the right one. I picked up the super long ones. I needed the ones that I got chopped. These are my other extensions and I got them styled and all. You guys saw I took them to the salon for the first time recently, and they are all curled up. My actual hair is not that curled up, but that's okay because we're just gonna plug them in today and we're gonna put all of my hair into a low bun. अभी दिख रहा है? अभी ऐसे पकड़ी तो दिख रहा है? किधर दिख रहा है? हाथ लगाओ हल्का सा. Can I cover it with the bobby? The second one is opening. The second one is showing. This one. Okay, the extensions have been taken out and we're wearing these beautiful earrings. These are from Maya Sangvi. They're real and I sourced them for tonight. और कहाँ डालूँ? नहीं और भी. मुझे मैं जानती हूँ मेरे खुल जाएगा. I will have to drive away from the headrest. Like मैं बैठ के अगर टीका लगाऊँगी ना ऐसे, तो become a problem.
One eternity later.
I hate you all. Happy birthday, dear Sam. I hate you all. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, baby. We all bless you. Thank you. I hate you all. It's Mama's birthday. Come on, Rumaisa.
I wished her like
Mama's birthday. Come here. It's Mama's birthday.
Leave them.
Rumaisa, it's your Mama's birthday. Come here. We have to wish Mama. Look at this child. Rumaisa Chashma Wala, it's your Mama's birthday. Do you not want to sing happy birthday to Mama? No cake? You don't want cake? Huh?
I didn't know what kind of cake that is.
What do you mean you don't know about what kind of cake? You don't wish Mama for cake. Okay, to wish her. Go to Mama. Say happy birthday. I want Kishi. Hello, we got home quite late last night. I think it was like around 1:30, 1:45. By the time we came back, literally at the venue, they had to shut the lights off to be like, ab aap ghar jao. The welcome comment shout out for this video goes to Anshika Garg. Thank you so much for talking to me in the comments. I'm literally going to end this vlog here and start another one because there's something really interesting and fun that I'm doing today. Lots of interesting and fun things that are actually happening today. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel and have those bell notifications on because I'm uploading videos all through Vlogmas, and apart from that I'm also really regular in general. You know I love reading, liking, hearting and responding to each and every one of your comments, so keep those conversations going. I am noticing the people who are commenting on a regular basis using the hashtag WearFam in their comments, so I do these shout outs for them. Plus of course we have contests in each and every one of these Vlogmas uploads. I love you guys. I will see you in the next one.